Today I have the honor of bringing you a quick spotlight on a Nell's Wigs budget-friendly wig. I have Maureen on my head in the color Salt and Pepper. This wig comes in 5 other colors, and Nell's Wigs is amazing. She carries budget-friendly synthetic wigs. They're all heat-friendly synthetic. She has hundreds and hundreds of different wigs at her website, all of them affordable and incredible. And I'm so thrilled to be able to tell you all about Maureen today. So if you'd like to learn more about this wig on my head and this color, she does have some other styles in the same color, and I'll tell you what other colors this comes in, then stick around and let's talk about her. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook, and I'm thrilled to be partnering with Nellie from Nell's Wigs to bring you this review of Maureen. I love bringing you guys every type of wig I can possibly bring you, and I review a little bit of everything from Amazon wigs all the way up to multiple $1,000s, human hair wigs, and everything in between. And Nell's Wigs is one of my favorites when it comes to more affordable wig styles. She really does carry some amazing wigs. Nellie is wonderful. She absolutely is doing what she can to help the wig wearing community by offering affordable pieces. She has a private Facebook group if you are looking for support on your journey, or maybe you would like to see some of Nell's wigs on just everyday wig wearers, not just reviewers, but like your wig sisters who are just wearing these wigs in their real life. You should go check out her Facebook group, because there you're going to not only find support, but you'll be able to see a lot of the wigs, get feedback on the wigs, and help on your journey from other wig sisters. I'll link that down in the description box below. I'll link this wig in the description box below, so you can go check all of that out. Now, Maureen. This one is actually Maureen03. So when Nellie carries wigs that come in multiple colors, she lists them separately on her website, and then she names each one with a number at the end. So Maureen03 is the Salt and Pepper color of this wig. So this one does come in 5 colors, like I said. We've got cool sandy blonde with subtle caramel highlights. I don't have all of these, I'll just tell you. That's Maureen01. Maureen02 is warm light brown with soft caramel highlights. Maureen04 is dark espresso, and Maureen05 is soft mocha blend, which is a soft brown. I am actually reviewing another piece from Nell's Wigs in a separate video, and I have that one in the soft mocha brown. So if you want to know more about this color, that will be in a separate video. I have no idea what order these are going to release in, so if this video is out, I will link it below. If it isn't, stay tuned for that video to come out. And the best way for you to see my videos is to like them, subscribe to my channel, comment on my videos. The more you engage with my videos, not only do you help me out, which I put my heart and soul into helping my wig sisters, it also will tell the algorithm that you like to see these videos, and it will show you them in your feed. So as you're scrolling through YouTube, if you feel like you never see my videos, please engage with them, and that should help a lot. Like it right now. Go hit that like button. Leave a quick comment. It doesn't have to be anything profound, and don't forget to look and make sure you're subscribed. Let's take a look at this one from all sides. I am absolutely in love with these heat-friendly fibers, truly. I think Nellie's wigs have some of the best heat-friendly fibers on the market. That's saying something. Where I think the budget generally comes in is the cap. So here's where the budget comes in my opinion. Sometimes the caps aren't quite as high-end as the more expensive major name brands. The limited number of colors that they're available in is another way that she keeps these more budget friendly, because it costs the business a lot more to have manufacturers make these wigs in a ton of colors. And not a ton of variety of styles, but because Nellie offers a customization service, you can actually get the wigs you purchase from her customized. So for example, let's say you love what you see right here, but she's a little too long for you. You'd rather have her maybe here. Just add on a haircut That's one of the customizations she offers. She can cut in face framing layers. She can cut in bangs. If you find these wigs too flat for you out of the box, she can add lift. Of course, those are all things you can do too, and I have lots of videos showing how to do all those things. But what I'm trying to say is just because the variety isn't there on the front end doesn't mean that Nell's Wigs can't help you get there. So this is a very flat to the head, no permatease, no poof, no volume wig. It is a moderate density. It does have a fair amount of hair. It's not super light density. I think this would be a great wig for a ponytail. It is that beautiful length and density for a low ponytail. You could put it in a higher ponytail depending on the coverage that you get back here. You can put this in an updo. I love doing like a twist, taking a claw clip and clipping it back. I really think these wigs can be super, super versatile. This one does have a lace front. It's actually really, really good. One of the things I have noticed with some of the wigs at Nell's Wigs and just budget wigs in general, sometimes those knots can be a little bit visible on the darker colors. But what I noticed on this one right here, the brown one I'd mentioned, those knots aren't really visible hardly at all. So I think she's done a really good job with a lot of these. Full mono top, you can part it anywhere. Extended lace front actually, which isn't very common on these budget wigs. We've got soft ear tabs with bendable stays and extended nape, Velcro adjusters, and the rest is open wefted. Really, really great wigs. I've reviewed a number of her monofilament wigs. Those are the ones I focused mostly on, even though she does carry other types, because I know that's what you guys like. That's what I like. And so I like to show you what I know most of the people who watch my videos are going to want to see. And so they come ready to wear. They come with the lace cut. Not all of her wigs come with the lace cut. The monofilaments do though, and they're listed as monofilaments. I would say these monofilament wigs are the most ready to wear and the most like the major name brands. I have also been so pleasantly surprised that they don't tangle very much. With lengths like this, you often have a lot of tangling issues. Look at that. I don't love putting super long synthetic and heat-friendly synthetic wigs on camera because they can be a real pain. They get all over the place. They stick in my lip gloss. They're hard to arrange. They get tangled. Even the major name brands sometimes do that. But I have been finding with Nelly's fibers, they are wonderful. I do think these might be the Japanese Futura fiber. I actually didn't look to double check it, but I just love the heat-friendly fibers that Nelly uses on these monofilaments. And look at how easy that was to comb through. If this had a ton of tangle problems, you'd be seeing it right now, and it just doesn't. I have noticed some shedding, and that is something that I also think sometimes sets the budget wigs apart from the major name brands. Like when you run your hands through and you get a few strands that shed. This one was shedding quite a bit in the beginning. It has slowed down a lot. So there's a couple of strands there. So I do think that sometimes the finishing on these isn't as precise as maybe on the major name brands. Again, you're paying a lot less, meaning the companies are making a lot less. So that is just something to keep in mind. But I think this is a stunning, stunning wig. I'm really excited it comes in other colors. The cap does run small. That you need to keep in mind. I have found that the monofilaments that she carries do tend to run on the small side of average. I get a little bit of extra cap, but hardly any. I do cinch them in slightly, but hardly any. All of my measurements are in the description box below. I have a 21.5 circumference. I'm pretty petite over the top of my head. So these are definitely not for anyone with above average head measurements. They are stretchy. Somewhat. They're fairly stretchy. So just unfortunately, these aren't for larger head measurements. They're better for a little smaller than average and then maybe even down to closer to average petite. She does carry other wigs though, and those other caps do fit differently. So just my 2 cents on the fit of this one. To summarize, Maureen is stunning. She is absolutely gorgeous. Other colors, you can have her customized by Nelly if you want to. If you are in the market for more of a budget wig, but you really like the idea of the major name brands, and by major name brands, I mean Raquel Welch, John Renault, Renee of Paris, Tress Allure, all those major name brands, Gabor, these rival them. They really do, but at a fraction of the price. And maybe there's a color that will work for you. One of the things I have noticed is when a wig is super popular, if it's a good seller, she will eventually carry it in other colors. She absolutely does take suggestions, so don't hesitate to reach out if you want this particular wig, but it's not in a color that you want. Go ahead and mention it. And if you do see one on her website that you do like, you can always say, could you carry it in this color? I know she takes comments and suggestions from her Facebook group members very seriously, so that's a great way to get some feedback in as well if you become a Nell's Wigs fan like I am. That is all I have for you on this one. I am standing in front of a big giant window with natural light on me, and so that is the color inside in front of natural light. No rooting on this one, so this is definitely an unrooted salt and pepper, silvery salt and pepper. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you to Nellie for giving me the chance to show your wigs again. I really appreciate all of you so much. I'll see you guys soon. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.